Hi students, good morning. Let us continue the problems of definite integration on greatest integer function. See the first problem solution. Let me take I is equal to integration 2 to 5 step x square minus 14x plus 49 upon x square minus 14x plus 49 plus step x square dx. This should be evaluated. So, as I told you earlier, we have a property integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This property I am going to use. Okay? That means, let me take this as equation 1. Before that I will take like this here. This can I write x minus 7 whole square or 7 minus x whole square, no problem. 7 minus x whole square step by 7 minus x whole square step plus x square as it is dx. Is that clear? Equation 1. Because a square minus 2ab plus b square, that means a minus b whole square, right? Now instead of the property 2 plus 5 minus x, 2 plus 5 means 7. 7 minus x. In the place of x, we have to replace. In the place of x, we have to replace 7 minus x. So I will put here x square upon this will be x square plus this will be 7 minus x whole square. So instead of x, what did I write there? Instead of x, what did I write? 7 minus x. Now I am going to add this equation. This is equation 2. Now I am going to add. Now I am going to add 1 and 2. Then what will you get? I plus I. 2I is equal to integral 2 to 5. This 2 will be cancelled. You see, this one plus this one, this one plus this one gets cancelled there. So 1 dx. If you add, take LCM and add. So what is the one integration for x? So upper limit 5 minus 2, 3. So 2i equal to 3. I is equal to 3 by 2. What is I? Integral 2 to 5 x square minus 14x plus 49 upon x square minus 14x plus 49 plus step x square dx equal to 3 by 2. Okay? So answer is what? 3 by 2. Clear? Second one let us. Answer is 3 by 2. Property is important. So see the next question on greatest integer function. What is the general formula? Is integral 0 to n step x dx equal. How can we split 0 to n? Between 0 to n, how many natural numbers are there? Between 0 to n, 0 to 1 step x dx plus 1 to 2 step x dx plus 2 to 3 step x dx, like that, so on, plus n minus 1 to n step x dx. Between 0 to n, how many natural numbers are there? N minus 1 natural numbers are there. Okay? Now I am going to take integration. Integration of step x value when x is lying between 0 to 1, that will be 0, plus between 1 and 2 step x value 1 dx, plus between 2 and 3 step x value 2 dx. Okay, between 2 to 3, plus so on, plus between n minus 1 and n, what is the value of step x? N minus 1. Okay, dx. Now this is 0, so integration of 1 is x, plus 2 keep outside, again integration of x is what? Integration of x is, integration of 1 is x 3 2 plus so on, plus n minus 1 into x n minus 1. Now put values. So 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 plus so on, plus n minus 1 into n minus n plus 1, plus n minus n cancel. So what is remaining? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, plus n minus 1. You know the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Sigma n is equal to, what is the formula? N of n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n formula. Sum of first n natural numbers. N of n plus 1 by 2. So here, how many natural numbers are there? N minus 1. So in the place of n, keep n minus 1. N minus 1, n minus 1 plus 1. So what is my answer? Integral 0 to n, integral 0 to n step x dx equal to n of n minus 1 by 2, where n belongs to natural number. This you can use as formula, n of n minus 1 by 2. Is that clear? Let us see the third problem. See the third problem, integral 0 to 25. Step root x dx. Okay? Root x dx. So between 0, if x equal to 0, root x also 0. If x equal to 25, root x will be root 25 means 5. Integers between 0 and 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? How many integers are there between 0 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. So root x equal to 1 I am taking, x will be 1. Root x equal to 2 I am taking, x equal to 4. Squaring on both sides. Root x equal to 3, x equal to 9. Root x equal to 4, x equal to 16. Now I am going to split my integration as 0 to 25 step root x dx equal to integral 0 to 1 step root x dx plus 0 to 1, next 1 to 4, 1 to 4 plus 4 to 9, 4 to 9 plus 9 to 16 plus 16 to last one is what? 25. So that is the splitting. So between 0 to 1 step x value 0, so it is 0, plus between 1 and 4 root x value 1, so I will take integral 1 to 4 1 dx, plus between 4 and 9 root 4 means 2. So 2 integral 4 to 9 1 dx, plus between 9 and 16 root 9 means 3 integral 9 to 16 1 dx, plus between 16 to 25 4 integral 16 to 25 1 dx. So integral 1 means x 4 1 plus 2 again x 9 4 plus 3 x 16 9 plus 4 x 25 6. So 4 minus 1 upper minus lower 3, 2 into 9 minus 4 5, 3 into 16 minus 9 7, 4 into 25 minus 16 9. So 3 plus 10 plus 21 plus 36. 57, 67. So what is the answer? Therefore, integral 0 to 25 step root x dx value 17. Is that clear? This is the procedure. Okay? Let us see. This is what? Third one solution. Clear? Now see fourth one. Fourth one, you can use this formula. N of n minus 1 upon 2. I told you just now. N means we will write 5. 5 of 5 minus 1 upon 2. So 2 times cancel. So 2 5s are